Good morning. How can I help you?
Hello, I want to open an account.
Of course. Do you have your ID?
Yes, I do. Here is my ID card.
Thank you, Sam. Please sit down here.
Thank you. The bank is very busy today.
Yes, many people come on Mondays.
I have a ticket, number 42.
Perfect. You are at the right desk.
Is it difficult to open an account?
No, it is very simple and fast.
That is good. I am a busy man.
I understand. I will work quickly.
Do I need to pay any money?
No, opening an account is free today.
Excellent. I like free things.
Everyone likes free things, Sam.
Do you work here every day?
Yes, I work from 9 to 5.
You look very professional. I like your vest.
Thank you. It is our bank uniform.
The bank is very clean and quiet.
We want our clients to feel relaxed.
I feel very relaxed now. Thank you.
Good. Now I am typing your name.
Is my name correct on the screen?
Yes, S-A-M, Sam. Is that right?
Yes, that is correct. My full name.
Great. Now let's choose a card.
I am ready. What cards do you have?
We have 3 types of bank cards.
What is the difference? Please explain.
This is a basic card. It is blue.
And what is the second card?
The second is a silver card. It is better.
Does it have more features, like insurance?
Yes, it has travel insurance. Do you travel?
I travel once a year, to the beach.
Then the silver card is good for you.
And the third card, the gold one?
That is for business. It is very premium.
No, I don't need business. I want silver.
Good choice. Silver is very popular.
Is there a monthly fee for silver?
Yes, it is £5 a month.
£5 is okay. I can pay that.
You get cash back with this card too.
Cashback? Does that mean I get money?
Yes, 1% for every shop.
That is wonderful. I go shopping every Saturday.
You will save money every week, Sam.
I like to save. I am very careful.
That is a very good habit.
Do I get a physical card or digital?
You get both, physical and digital.
Can I use it on my phone?
Yes, you can. I will help you later.
Thank you, Chloe. You explained very well.
Thank you. Now I need your address.
My address is 10 Green Street.
I am printing the contract now.
Is it a long document? Many pages?
No, it is only 2 pages.
Good. I don't like to read much.
Please read the first paragraph. It is about fees.
£5 a month. I see it here.
And here is the second part, about privacy.
Your bank is safe? My money is safe?
Our bank is very safe. We have insurance.
That is the most important thing for me.
We protect your data. Nobody sees your password.
Good. I don't want problems with my money.
Please sign here, at the bottom.
This is a nice pen.
Thank you. It is a gift for new clients.
Can I keep the pen? Really?
Yes, it is yours. Welcome to the bank.
Thank you. It is a very professional pen.
Now sign the second page, right here.
Done. I am a bank member now.
Yes, you are. Congratulations, Sam.
I feel like a rich man.
Maybe one day. You start today.
I will put my salary here every month.
That is a smart plan. We will help you.
What is the next step? Do I wait?
No, I have your card here. It is ready.
So fast? You are a wizard, Chloe.
No, I am just efficient.
Let's see the card. I'm excited.
Here is your new silver card.
Wow, it is beautiful. It is very shiny.
Your name is on the front. Look.
S-A-M. Yes, there it is.
The chip is on the left. It is gold.
I see it. Do I need a pen?
Yes, you must choose 4 numbers.
Can I choose them now at the desk?
Yes, use this small machine. Don't tell me.
Okay, I am typing the numbers.
Don't use 1, 2, 3, 4. It is bad.
No, I have a secret number. It is safe.
Perfect. Now your card is active.
Can I buy coffee now at the cafe?
Yes, you can use it immediately.
Is there a limit? Can I spend much?
The daily limit is £1,000.
1,000? That is a lot of coffee.
Yes, it is, but be careful.
I am always careful. I don't spend much.
Can I offer you a credit card too?
A credit card? How is it different?
You spend the bank's money, then you pay.
No, thank you. I only use my money.
I understand. Some people prefer debit cards.
I like to know I have the money.
That is very responsible. I like your thinking.
Thank you. Now, what about my phone?
Let's set up the mobile app.
Okay, my phone is here.
Open the App Store on your phone.
Okay, I am searching for Grand Bank.
That is the one. Click Download.
It is downloading now. It is very fast.
Now open the app. Enter your card number.
1600. Okay, finished.
You will receive a code. Check your SMS.
I see it. The code is 552.
Type it in. Now you can see your balance.
It says £0. That is sad.
Don't worry, you can deposit money now.
How do I do that? Can I use the machine?
Yes, the ATM outside is for deposits.
Can I pay bills with this app?
Yes, you can pay for gas and electricity.
That is very useful. No more paper bills.
Exactly. It is good for the trees.
I like trees. I have a big garden.
The app also shows your spending.
Does this show pizza and coffee?
Yes, it makes a little chart for you.
That is a bit scary. I see my habits.
It helps you save. It is like a teacher.
You are a good teacher too, Chloe.
Thank you. I am happy to help. Is the app safe? What if I lose my phone?
You have a password and your Face ID.
Face ID? My face is the key?
Yes, the phone looks at your eyes.
Technology is amazing. I am very impressed. Let's walk to the ATM. It is outside.
Okay, I have my new card in my hand.
Insert the card here. Follow the green light.
Okay, I am doing it. Now it wants my PIN.
Type your PIN. Cover the buttons with your hand.
Okay, what do I do now?
Click Deposit. You want to add money.
I have £50 in cash.
Put the money in the slot. The machine opens.
It is making a loud noise.
It is counting the notes. It is very accurate.
It says £50. It is correct.
Click Confirm. Now the money is in your account.
Can I take it out now at another ATM?
Yes, at any ATM in the city.
Is it free to take out money?
Yes, at Grand Bank machines it is free.
What about other banks, like Citibank?
Other banks may charge £2.
I will only use Grand Bank then.
That is a smart way to save money.
I see my balance on the screen now.
£50. You are not at zero anymore.
I am a rich man today.
Take your receipt. It is your proof.
Thank you. I will put it in my pocket.
Do not forget your card. Take it now.
Oh, thank you. I almost forgot it.
The machine beeps to remind you.
It is a very smart machine.
Do you want to buy a car or a house?
I want a new car. My old car is broken.
We have car loans. The interest is low.
What is interest? Please explain to me.
It is the price for the bank's money.
Is it very expensive? I don't want debt.
It is 3%. That is very low.
Let me see the computer. Show me the numbers.
Look at this chart.
If I take 5,000 pounds,
You pay 100 pounds every month.
for how many years? 3 or 5?
For 5 years. Is that okay?
100 pounds is fine. I can do that.
You need to show your salary every month.
I have a good job. I am a chef.
A chef? Where do you work?
I work at the Blue Door. It is a restaurant.
I know that place. The food is great.
Thank you. I make the best steak.
Then you have a stable job. That is good.
Can I have the loan today?
No, we need to check your documents.
That is fine. I can wait a few days.
I will call you on Wednesday. Is that okay?
Yes, call me in the afternoon. I am busy.
I will call at 4 o'clock.
Perfect. Thank you for the information.
You are very welcome, Sam.
You are a very helpful banker.
Here is your folder. All your papers are inside.
Thank you, Chloe. I have everything now.
Your card is in the front pocket.
I will be very careful with it.
Do you have any other questions for me?
No, I understand everything now.
Great. It was a pleasure to meet you.
It was a pleasure for me too.
Have a wonderful day, Sam.
Thank you. Have a nice day at the bank.
I will. See you soon for the loan.
Yes, see you on Wednesday.
Goodbye, Sam.
Goodbye, Chloe.